Reasoning systems for categories in artificial intelligence involve methods for organizing, classifying, and inferring relationships among different objects or concepts within specific categories. Here are some common reasoning systems used for categories. 1. Hierarchical reasoning. Hierarchical reasoning organizes categories into hierarchical structures, where broader categories are subdivided into more specific subcategories. Reasoning in hierarchical systems involves navigating the category hierarchy to classify objects, infer properties, and determine relationships based on their position within the hierarchy. This approach facilitates efficient classification and allows for generalization and specialization across different levels of abstraction. 2. Probabilistic reasoning. Probabilistic reasoning assigns probabilities to categories based on available evidence or observations. It involves calculating the likelihood of an object belonging to different categories given its observed features or attributes. Probabilistic reasoning systems use statistical models such as Bayesian networks or probabilistic graphical models to represent uncertainty and make informed decisions about category membership. 3. Logical reasoning. Logical reasoning uses formal logic to infer relationships and properties within categories. It involves applying logical rules, constraints, and axioms to derive conclusions based on the logical structure of the category definitions. Logical reasoning systems can perform tasks such as deductive reasoning, drawing conclusions from premises, inductive reasoning, generalizing from specific instances, and abductive reasoning, inferring explanations for observed phenomena. 4. Semantic reasoning. Semantic reasoning leverages semantic relationships and ontologies to infer category relationships based on the meaning of terms and concepts. It involves analyzing semantic connections such as synonymy, hyponymy, hypernymy, and meronymy to determine category membership and similarity. Semantic reasoning systems use semantic web technologies and knowledge graphs to represent and reason about category semantics in a structured and interoperable manner. By employing these reasoning systems, AI systems can effectively organize, classify, and reason about categories, enabling tasks such as classification, categorization, concept learning, knowledge discovery, and semantic understanding in various domains.